Hi, do you want to create professional investment website? Because in this video, I will teach you step by step how to create a professional investment website. You will get professional admin panel to control this website. You can change and customize all the functionalities of the website through the admin panel. Now I will introduce you to the important features of the website. Then I will teach you step by step how to create this professional investment website. In this website you are getting professional 4 homepage designs. You can use your favorite designs on the website. Now I will show you 4 wonderful designs. Now you can see the number wonderful design of the homepage of our website. Then you can see the beautiful design to number of our website homepage. Now you can see the professional 3rd number design on the homepage of our website. Then you can see the last 4th number professional design of our website. You can activate your favorite design through the admin panel. You can create investment packages for website members. You can create unlimited packages through the admin panel. Also, users can sign up the website very easily. Now I will show you customer dashboard by login the website. Wow, users get a professional dashboard. Also you can see that there are many features in the user dashboard. You have to admit that you are going to create a professional investment website. I will definitely discuss these functionalities with you step by step. Now I will introduce you some features of admin panel of this website. You can create specific member role through the admin panel. For example, you can add editors and managers to manage the website. You can also create unlimited investment packages. You can create any type of custom payment gateway on the website. You can also add many international automatic payment gateways to the website. Don't worry, in this video, I will discuss admin panel step by step with you. For this we need to first install the website in the hosting panel. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create professional investment website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create Envato account. We can easily create account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create account by submitting correct information here. I have already created account on Envato, so I will log in account now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using 3 international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal and pay by Skrill. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish investment platform website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years. Because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 69% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can make payment through bank card very easily. For this we need to submit the correct information of the banking card here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking this button. Also, if you have a PayPal account, then you can pay through PayPal. And you can also pay using other international payment gateways. Or we can also make payments through different types of cryptocurrencies. This way you can easily buy high-quality domain hosting at low cost. After purchasing domain hosting, you will get a dashboard just like this. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 7.4 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Then enter /install. Now we need to add some files permissions. I will teach you step by step how to add permissions to files. For this, please follow this video completely. Now we will add the URL of the website. Then we need to do purchase verification. Now we need to add the database to the website. For this we will go to hosting panel. Now I will teach you step by step how to add hosting panel database to website. For this, please follow this video completely. Then we need to submit admin login information. Now we will click on Install Now the button. Our source code install complete. Now our website is completely ready. So now let's log into the admin panel. Now I will discuss with you about admin panel step by step. First we will set up cron job with the hosting panel. Now I will teach you step by step how to set up cron job with hosting panel. Our cron job setup is complete. Now go to manage role. You can create specific member roles to manage the website. As an example, I will now create super admin. Then you can add specific role permissions step by step. You can also edit the default user roles. Now we will go to Manage Admin section. In this section you can add admin to manage the website. For this you have to submit the admin information here. We can easily create these investment packages. For this we have to come to the Manage Plan section. Here you can see many default investment packages. You can easily switch these packages on and off. You can also edit the default packages very easily. Here you can see many information of the packages and you can edit them. You can also create new packages. For this you have to submit the information of the packages here step by step. You can also add specific schedule times. Here you can see many default schedule times. You can easily edit these default schedule times. Or you can create a new schedule time. Then go to Manage Users. We can control every user of the website very easily. Here you can see all account information of users. You can control and edit user accounts with these features. You can also see the list of active users. And you can see the list of directive users. You can customize the KYC setting for account verification. You can add specific requirements for users. Then you can see the KYC requests of the members of the website. You can easily provide ticket support to website members. You can answer their questions very easily. And you can see the pending ticket lists. You can easily enable referral feature on website. You can add level commission here. You can also view member payments on the website. Here you can see many payment list of website members. You can check the payment details. Then you can do accept and reject. These are manual payment lists. Also you can check other information of manual payment. Now we will go to Manage Withdraw section. We can create custom withdrawal payment gateways for website members. For this you need to submit your preferred withdrawal payment gateway information here. Then you can control the withdrawal options of the website members. You can verify and accept pending withdrawals. Also we can see the accepted and rejection withdrawal lists. You can easily manage the deposit section. You can check the deposit log. You can then accept and reject member deposits. Now go to Payment Gateway section. You can certainly create any type of custom payment gateway. For this you have to submit your preferred custom payment gateway information here. And you can add payment proof requirements. Also you get many international automatic payment gateways. Add these payments to the website according to your needs. So let's now add the email server to the website. For this we will go to Hosting panel. Now I will teach you step by step how to add mail server to website. For this, please follow this video completely. We have successfully added mail saver to website. You can easily customize email templates. Now go to General Setting. You can change the website title. You can change the currency of the website. You can change the primary color of the website. And you can add certain sign-up bonuses. You can change the time zone of the website. You get option to add SMS gateway. You also get many other important features. Change them step by step as per your requirement. You can also change your website logo and favicon. And you can change other images of the website. You can turn off the website preloaded. You are getting the feature to add Google Analysis to the website. You can customize the cookie content of the website. Now we need to add Google reCAPTCHA for website security. Now I will teach you step by step how to add Google reCAPTCHA to website. For this, please follow this video completely. Then we can add live chat to the website. For this we need to create talk.to account. I will teach you step by step how to add live chat to website. For this, please follow this video completely. Then you can do search engine optimization on the website. For this you need to submit correct SEO information here. Then you can clear all the cache on the website. Also we can add unlimited languages to the website. Now go to Manage Theme section. Here you can activate the theme of your choice. We can easily see the investment details of the website users. You can also see all the commission details on the website. You can change the entire website design step by step. You will find all the features to change the design of the website in front-end section. Through these functionalities you can change the website design step by step. You can also see all the subscriber lists of the website. In this video I have discussed with you all the important features of admin panel. We also learned in this video how to create a professional investment website. By creating this website you can earn a lot of money online. If you have any questions about this video then comment. Or you can directly contact us through email and WhatsApp. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get new videos like this. Thank you so much watching this full video.